Today I'm going to go over exercises for finger strengthening using the therapy putty. I'm going to first go over quickly one of the exercises I mentioned in best exercises for finger stiffness, a video I previously made, in which I mentioned one of the best exercises for finger strengthening is tendon glides. And I mentioned that you can progress finger strengthening through the help of therapy putty. I want to do a quick review of tendon glides, and then I'll go into combining tendon glides with therapy putty. Tendon glides. We'll start over here and go into this movement, and then this movement, and then hook fist, and then full fist. Let's combine with this. Not all of the movements can be used with therapy putty, but there's quite a few that can be used with therapy putty, and I shall demonstrate. This movement here, we're gonna put a putty right here. Okay, so we can squeeze and fold it again and squeeze. And fold it again and squeeze the hook fist. So we're gonna do hook fist, hook fist again, full fist. Okay, just like that. Simplest of them all. So there you have it. That's how you combine tendon glides with the help of therapy putty. Next, I'm gonna go over some other exercises using therapy putty. In the video, best exercises for finger stiffness, I mentioned that this movement here, the finger abduction and adduction, is also an excellent exercise for finger stiffness. You can combine this movement with therapy putty too. Here we go. So, like this, and then back together, and then you're gonna have to start over. Okay, and then again. Next, I want to go over exercises, the exercises from the instruction manual right over here. So first one is called a fingertip pinch. Do a little fingertip pinch like so. Okay. Finger squeeze like this. Like the pinch. Okay. The full grip, which is similar to this tendon glide movement. Actually, it's exactly the same. The finger grip. Finger grip. So it's basically doing the full grip, but without the thumb. So the pinch, twist, and pull like this. It's actually an imitation of the twisting movement with the bottle cap, the finger spread. Gonna make a hole here, stick 2 fingers through, and then voila. Again, make a little hole, 2 fingers through. Finger extension. Make it a little longer like this, and you put your finger through, and you try to hold it like that. And again, trying to thumb extension, same thing, but with the thumb. Okay, I guess you can hold it this way, like that. Thumb and finger spread. So basically you make a donut Stick your fingers through. There we go. Like a donut. Open your fingers. Pinch and pull. Looks like just doing this over and over again. Pinch and pull. Pinch and pull. Pinch and pull. That's all the exercises. The user manual.